Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
Are you looking for a new carry-on suitcase that's zipperless, has all the fun details of the newest suitcases out there? Well, this one has done a great job by Nobl Travel. This is light, only weighing 8.15 pounds, making it a breeze to get through as a carry-on. I also appreciate the organization on the inside and all the way to the outside where you have a hidden compartment that's a cup holder and it holds my drink very sturdy. I like the material as well of this suitcase. It's strong and durable. It rolls so nicely on different floorings of the airport, and this handle is adjustable as well at 4 levels, and these top and side handle is strong, sturdy, and it pulls in so nothing's dangling. It has this charging port, which makes it great for charging your phone or tablet on the go, and a TSA lock on the top so you can get quick access, which is so fun so you don't have to open up your whole suitcase, maybe get to your laptop or a few items. And the TSA lock on the side, which gets you into the whole suitcase. And inside, you can see high quality material as well. And it really is nice having a carry on suitcase that is easy to navigate, spins 360 degrees, the wheels. It has a phone mount for fun little features like that, and even these little bag holder studs on the side. So if you're looking for an all-around amazing, lightweight, durable carry-on suitcase, I've been so impressed with this and really love it.
But that's just my point of view.